Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace LCD and touchscreen assembly with the frame on Samsung Galaxy A03 Core mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap in the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, gently take out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board bracket by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect both LCD connector plugs from the logic board. Next, remove the battery from the body. First, move and secure both LCD ribbon cables. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, disconnect the antenna head from the logic board. Next, gently pull out the logic board. Next, take out the earpiece by applying some heat. Next, gently pry and pull out the power and volume button flex cable from the frame. If needed, add some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, undo 8 screws to pull out the cover. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and gently pull out the charging board with the antenna. Next, pull out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, apply some heat and pull out the speaker from the frame. Now, the only remaining part is the broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are two different screen types in the market. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing remote parts. First, secure the AP speaker. Next, secure the power and volume button flex. Next, place and secure the logic board. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the loudspeaker. Next, secure the charging port board with the antenna cable. Next, secure the LCD plug to the board. Next, secure the antenna on the frame. Next, connect the antenna head to the logic board. Next, secure the board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, place and secure the battery with adhesive. Next, secure both LCD connector plugs to the logic board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board bracket by adding 8 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, snap in the back cover and run to the sides to secure the clips, and also at the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.